Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. It's 2022.
It is.
We are here. You're looking like, did you get a tan or something? Look at you.
No, I didn't get a tan.
You look at
You think I've been spending the holidays under a tan bed or something?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe you just got out in the good old sun.
I went and got a spray on tan, mate.
Did you, mate? Well, that's an image that's in my head now, and I can't erase it. But you know what we are talking about?
No, what are we talking about?
These, the Kangaroos.
Kangaroos.
22 Kangaroos.
We are. It doesn't look quite so impressive without the kilo kangaroo there.
Yeah, I just wanted that whole, that big one there. Well, what happened to that one?
We sold them.
How dare you, sir?
They're selling faster than we can keep up with getting them in.
Yep,
So,
fair enough.
I think the next one or two that are scheduled to arrive this week are already sold.
Aha.
So we will catch up eventually, though.
Cool. All right. Well, when that comes in, we'll do a quick little showing of that too.
We shall.
Because it is quite impressive. So this is the 2022 Perth Mint Kangaroo range.
It is. So they come in the 1 ounce,
Yep.
which is probably the best one to show the design.
Yeah, sure.
So the gold and the silver and platinum have a different design.
Yep. Now we did a big Kangaroo, a Perth Mint release party last year.
We did.
And I'll put a link above to that now. It was a live party, actually, where we saw the designs for the first time. And
Yeah.
when this came out, we were at the very beginning, we were like, but it's grown on me.
Yeah, I'm still on the fence with the lettering.
As I said in the live stream, I like the lettering. It's kind of it reminds me of an old school Aussie pub. That kind of font.
I like it on the koala. I think it really sets off the koala
Koala's
design.
great. Yeah, koala's cool.
I'm just taking some convincing on the kangaroo.
That's okay. But
So
we've
anyway,
got the one
sizes. So you get the kangaroo in the kilo, which isn't here at the moment.
Right there, there's your kilo.
That's right.
Yep.
The 1 ounce gold, the half ounce gold, the quarter ounce gold, and the 1/10.
Yep.
They don't do a 1/20th in the kangaroo.
That's right.
And I don't know why, but they don't, and it would be very popular if they did.
It would be incredible. Why? Well, hello.
I don't know. Don't ask.
Hello, Perth Mint. Good to see you. Happy New Year and all that. Make a damn 1/20th kangaroo.
1/20th.
Yes, please.
You've got the blanks for them because you do it for the tiger.
Ah, you see?
So-
That's right.
It wouldn't be much to... Anyway,
It really wouldn't.
it's not a discussion I haven't had with them. We also have it in the silver, which you can see is the good old standard design.
Which one are you pointing to?
Sorry, I pointed to the platinum, didn't I?
you did.
That's the... let's do the platinum
Cool.
first. So the platinum 1 ounce kangaroo,
Yep.
it uses the same design as the silver, although obviously it's a much smaller coin, and we've got the silver next to it for the comparison.
Of course.
So if you're into platinum, it's a good one to get. It's probably the cheapest platinum coin you're going to get.
Oh,
It's the
definitely.
1 ounce Kanga,
By far.
by far.
Yep. Do you now look? We'll do a little update on it, but you're still bullish for platinum in
I'm still
2022.
bullish for platinum.
Yep.
Yeah, will be for probably the next 2 years, I would
Cool.
suggest.
All right. Not financial advice.
Not
That's
financial
our
advice.
first NFA for 2022. That's great. Many more to come.
That's it.
And so that's the platinum, and of course.
And the silver. Now, the silver doesn't come in. We haven't had anyone come in this morning and we start
right.
filming in the
Oh,
doorbell.
that's right. I'll just give them one of these ones. Yeah, he's giving me the thumbs up. I put up the give us 2 minutes, and he's giving me the thumbs up.
So, like the platinum, the silver design doesn't change, and we've actually got 2 years sitting there. So that's a 22 and that's a 21.
Okay, so
So
22 and
There's
21.
no difference in the basic design. The only difference will be the numbering on the side.
Yep,
And I'm not sure if the camera will pick that up.
Yeah, you can see the 2022 there.
Yep.
Yep, absolutely.
Beautiful. Now, everything else comes in a capsule. The silver does not come in a capsule. We encapsulated those two so I didn't have to put gloves on.
Fair enough. Fair enough. And look, depending on how many you buy, you might, if we have some spare capsules, you may get, you buy a couple of kangaroos, you might get them in our aftermarket capsules.
You may.
But you're buying them in a tube of 25, you just get the tube.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else do they need to know?
That's about it overall. They do produce these for the whole year. Now, when I say that, they stop production about September, October sort of time, because the 23 will be released in that October, November sort of time.
Of course.
So grab them. You've got plenty of time to grab them. My one caveat on that, though, is you'll always find production is a bit spotty, for want of a better word.
Okay.
So you may find some of the sizes become unavailable.
Yep.
If history is anything to go by. So if you must have a quarter ounce, I'd suggest getting it sooner rather than later.
Yep.
But if you're not too fussed, you just want a kangaroo throughout the year, you've probably got the rest of this year to source them, because we're only just now running low on the 2021s.
Okay, fair enough. Excellent. Well, that is the Kangaroo range. We'll just show you up here as well a little bit of a closer, bit of a more detailed design right there. Just come into the store, level 6 of 227 Collins Street. If you want to see them up close before you purchase, try before you buy, all that sort of stuff. Like, share, subscribe. Head over to bullionnow.com.au. And for the first time in 2022, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.